Hello guys, welcome back to the Chef's Akameza Christmas edition. Today I brought for you beef stew recipe.
So in this beef stew recipe, we are going to use the following ingredients. You see here. Here we have some onions, tomatoes which have been grated, carrots, there's cumin, garam masala, salt, some sugar, and this is some coriander for garnishing at the end. So we have our onions going in the pan, spices, garam masala, some cumin, and I have some cinnamon. So I like putting the spices at this point because when you cook them in some parts, it elevates their flavor. Our grated tomatoes. Yes, so after our tomatoes are boiled down, it's time to put them into our beef which has been boiling. We also put our potatoes, carrots at this stage. I like putting them towards the end so that they retain some crunchiness to them. Okay, so our stew is ready. Serve it in a bowl. In there, the beef, the potatoes, and you can garnish
Some coriander. Wow.
And thank you for being on this episode of Chef's Akameza. We are preparing for you a very delicious beef stew that you should try out this Christmas. We have a Jan intake. Make sure you come register, sign up, come learn more of this. It has been a good experience learning from here, and I hope you can join us. Merry Christmas!